Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing 3 to 5 poster colors and arranging your objects with a clear light at about 45 degrees. This creates predictable highlights and shadows. Once chosen, mix a mid-tone, a darker shade, and a diluted light wash. Thin paint about 10 to 20% to keep it translucent. Apply broad, even washes to map major shapes quickly. You do this so you can see value relationships. It prevents muddy mixing later and sets a solid foundation for layering. Once the initial washes are dry, you build form by adding midtones and modeling shadows with slightly thicker paint. Let each layer tack up for 5 to 10 minutes to avoid lifting. Use a dry brush to suggest texture on surfaces and soften edges where objects recede, and make backgrounds less sharp so focal objects pop. You should paint around the brightest highlights or leave them until the end. This controlled approach preserves contrast and creates believable volume. You finish by refining edges, lifting small mistakes with a damp brush, and applying opaque accents where needed. Use a small brush for crisp catchlights and rim highlights. Once done, glaze thin layers to unify color temperature or tweak local color shifts. This helps cohesion without heavy reworking. If the result reads flat, make sure to increase contrast in key areas or deepen shadow masses. A final tidy of clean edges often fixes visual confusion and makes the still life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.